In this guide, I'll show you how to allow your friends to join your Minecraft world by turning on multiplayer on Minecraft Mobile. So, the first thing you want to do is select play on the home menu, and then you want to scroll down to the world that you want to use, and you want to select the edit button beside your world. Now, what you want to do is scroll down on the left sidebar, and you want to select multiplayer. Now, you want to ensure that multiplayer game is toggled on, and then under Microsoft account settings, you can set it to invite only, or friends of friends. Now, once you've done that, you can select play on the left sidebar to join your world. And once you're in your world, you want to select the three lines at the top of the screen. And then you want to have a look on the right side and select invite to game under your world. So here's where you'll see your online friends as well as your offline friends. So if you tap on their names, it's going to check mark them, and you'll have the option to also add a friend in the bottom left corner if you'd like, or you can just send out the invite to the friends that are currently online or offline. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.